Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now in this video today, I'm going to be doing a shop with me at Walmart and we're looking at their Valentine's Day stuff, so come on with me guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, but I'll be in and out of the video. Now guys, I have two other channels. So my main channel is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Then we have this one, Simply Grace, and I'm also going to be linking my Bible college journey, and that's going to be my Charis journey. Amazing guys. So I hope to see you over there. Please come and support me, and let's continue. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.